To format the SD card on a Zoom H5, press on the menu button and go down to SD card. Then press with that and go on format. And are you sure you want to format? Yes. Now just wait for it. And you're done. So you can now press the menu button to return to your main page, and you can now record something amazing.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!